Django 1911. Hello and welcome to my channel. We're gonna be doing an unboxing of this knife. This is how the box comes to you. Supposed to be this is a Balisong, a butterfly knife. So off the bat you see it's not straight. It's a slight bend. I'll have to live with that. This is a Balisong, which is a channel type. See, it's not see-through, this part here. Milled from a single material. This one here. And it's classic Bowie style shaped blade. That was the spring inside the thing. Well, aside from the obvious that it's not straight, see, let me just check it again. Yep, that is not straight. Hopefully it won't be bending to one side if you're ever gonna be using this, but if you're gonna be, let me see how it is. It's a bent blade from the pivot point. It's bending, so it's not a misgrind. But like I said, aside from that obvious thing that it's not straight, still a Balisong. Solid. Here. No wiggle, this, so it's really secure. It's just that when you return it, see, there's a wiggle on the blade. It doesn't know where to go. It go right. But when it's locked, that thing, it's the spring. For channel type Balisong, how heavy would this be? .8 ounces plus the sheath, because you need that so that you can carry it. 6.4. I'm still bugged by that alignment. So yeah, that's hit or miss. This is a miss, I'd say. You just need a straight knife. So if it's really not that straight, it's probably just gonna be something that you need to be aware of it, you know, because it's not straight. There's a curve to it. But it's still effective. Still a to. Still a Balisong. Let's check uniformity. If they are, both of them are crooked, but you can't do anything about it. That's the old one. This is the new one that I pulled out. Off the bat, this one likes to spring fast. Check alignment. This one's still bent a little bit, but the other one was just bent more than this. I mean, this is less bent than the other one. You see? Yeah, just a little bit. This one, still the bending is clear, so both of them not straight. Deployment single hand exhibition. Nah. The gloves keep getting eaten by the lock. So which is straighter? Check. 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 So this one is straighter than that one. So both knives, just I'd consider this one okay. It's a little bit straighter. And this one is already very loose. From the get-go, the other one is a little bit sticky on the lock. This one is a little bit loose on the lock. See, so that. Other side. Another gripe. See, this one is optimized for it when it's deployed open, you know. I mean, what I mean is the lock is just, it's there locking. I would like it, see, I'm already maxing out. I need to unscrew this, I'm sorry, I need to maybe unscrew this part, but I don't want to mess with anything. That's maxed out supposedly, and it should be locking fine, no problem. It is. However, see, it also unlocked one-handed just by applying pressure. However, when you go back to the folded position, see, so that's the hit or miss I'm talking about when you buy from China. This one locks okay in this position, like that, even pop out. However, when you close it, you need to adjust the tension again, because that is not locking. So see, let's adjust it again. Oh, that's locking now. See, it's popping out okay. That's it. But when you open this and lock this on the other side, I hope this would lock. It locked, but you need to push it in there. Let's see the straightness. Still okay. Well, I just say it's tight, you know, the tolerance, maybe it's not yet broken in, but that popped out. Let's see if it locks on the other side. See, sweet spot. Problem unfolded as we were recording, and problem solved as we were going about it in the video. So it's just needed to break in. Yep, this one is a little bit better. See, when you have gloves, this always gets traction as it's open. So as I move through it, there's like a bit of movement through there. That's nothing. Okay. Well, this one, it's also already good, but this is the one that has that bend. Still okay. Channel knives, you know, channel Balisong, not the sandwich. It's one piece steel, this one, milled. And yeah, it's an addition to the collection. I mean, a channel, I don't have this because the other Bolo jungle knife like that is not a channel, it's a sandwich. So I got this one so that there's two of them. I'll probably get rid of the other. Let's see. There you go. I hope you liked the video. I did not say much. I was just, you know, telepathically communicating with you through the knife. So, and yep, as always, I'd be seeing you guys the next time.